Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you're working with, the Chromebook model and the Chrome OS version, so you get compatible steps. Next, inspect physical connections, HDMI, USB-C, or adapters, and swap cables to rule out bad wiring. Once done, open Settings and find Displays to see how Chrome OS currently detects screens. You do not need to enable experimental features yet. Instead, gather display info and ensure chargers and docks are connected and powered so detection behaves predictably. Now adjust how the Chromebook handles multiple screens. Go to Settings, Device, Displays, and identify each screen by name or number so you know which is which. Toggle Mirror off if you want a single screen instead of duplicated content, or toggle it on briefly to diagnose. Drag the display previews to match physical layout and set the primary display by selecting the desired screen and choosing Primary. Finally, apply changes and confirm resolution and scaling are correct so windows land where you expect them. Finish by restarting both the Chromebook and the external monitor to force fresh detection and clear transient glitches. If duplication persists, reset display settings in Settings or create a new user profile to see if the issue is profile-specific. Only consider power wash as a last resort and back up your data first. If you still see a double screen, swap the cable or try another monitor to isolate hardware faults. These steps help you narrow down whether the cause is software, profile, or physical connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.